do by living without you? My life feels empty without your guidance and love. And since then, he has been practicing hard to realize his dream of being a police officer. I have to become a police officer to catch criminals and revenge my dads.
Please stop. I will not fight anymore. I am surrendering myself to the police. Oh no, my daughter is in the car.
Police uncle, please let my father go.